In Airtable, linking bases refers to connecting records across different bases, which is useful for managing data spread across multiple workspaces. While Airtable doesn't natively support direct linking between bases like it does with tables, you can still link data across bases using linked records, Airtable's API, or third-party tools. Here's how you can approach this. Using linked records. Although you cannot directly link bases, you can link records from tables within different bases by manually copying the record URL from one base to another. Create a linked record field in one base and paste the URL or record reference from the other base into it. This approach is more manual and doesn't offer real-time synchronization, but it can serve as a workaround. Use Airtable's API. You can programmatically link records across bases using Airtable's API. By setting up API calls, you can automate the transfer and linkage of data between tables in different bases. This method requires some programming knowledge but provides a more dynamic solution. Use third-party tools. Tools like Zapier or Integromat allow you to create automated workflows that sync data across multiple Airtable bases.